Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Ifra English School. I hope you all must be fine, dear. You know that this is your class 3rd NCERT EVS book looking around, and today we are going to read the chapter number 19, Our Friends Animal. And you know that there are so many animals that are our friends. And you should also know that the animals also feel pain and happiness, and they also feel the hunger and thirst like us. So in this chapter we will read about some animals and about their eating habits. So dear students, the chapter starts. There are many students in a classroom, and suddenly they heard a sound of tag, and they all surprised of hearing this sound. What happened? Let's read. The children in the class were startled on hearing the sound tag. The startled means amazed or surprised. The children surprised when they hear the sound of tag. The sound came from the ceiling fan. Kalyani shouted, "Look, look, a bird is hurt." Peter got up at once and picked up the bird. It was in pain. From where the sound came, a bird was heard from the ceiling fan. That is why the sound came. And suddenly Peter got up and picked up the bird. The bird was hurt and it was in pain. Navjot and Ali quickly brought water in a bowl. Peter lovingly patted the bird. They held the bowl to the bird's beak. It drank a little water and slowly started flapping its wings. Navjot told all the children to move back. They noticed that the bird was trying to fly. In a while, the bird flew away. So when the bird was hurt, Najot and Ali quickly brought some water in a bowl for the bird, and they held the bowl to the bird's beak. The bird drank some water, and after some time, she started flapping its wings to fly. And after some time, the bird flew away. Now watch carefully this picture. Now read about this picture. Next day, the children saw a bird circling above them in their classroom. The children tried to find out whether it was the bird that was hurt the previous day. They quickly switched off the fan and started to clap. Again, on the next day, the children saw that a bird was circling above them. Then they tried to find out if that is the bird that was hurt last day. Then they quickly switched off the fan because they thought that it should not be hurt again. There are some sentences that are in not correct order. You are to put the sentences in a correct order. Peter lovingly patted the bird. The children saw a bird circling in their classroom. Navjot and Ali quickly brought water in a bowl. The bird flew away and the bird hurt itself with the fan. So the first sentence is this. The bird hurt itself with the fan. The second, Peter lovingly patted the bird. The third is Navjot and Ali quickly brought water in a bowl. The fourth is the bird flew away, and the fifth is the children saw a bird circling in their classroom. Now there is a boy whose name is Shankar. A kitten had given a cat had given birth to the 4 kittens in his courtyard. Now read about him. Shankar was very happy. A cat was given birth to 4 kittens in the courtyard of his house. Kittens means the baby cat, babies of cat. He started spending his free time with them. Shankar was very happy, and he spent his time with the kittens. One morning, Shankar was woken up by the cat's cry. Do you know how the cat cries? I think you must know. He ran towards the courtyard. He saw that the cat was crying and cuddling its 3 kittens. When he ran to the courtyard, he saw that the cat was crying and she was cuddling its 3 kittens. Cuddling means it was embracing his 3 kittens. Why only 3 kittens? Because the one kitten was missing. He went outside and found Malini patting a kitten. Shankar called Malini into his courtyard. Malini saw the kitten. The cat was crying. So when Shankar saw that one kitten is missing, then he just quickly went outside and he saw that Malini, a girl whose name is Malini, was taking the kitten and she was patting him. She was loving him. But Shankar called Malini into his courtyard, and he Malini saw that the cat was crying. So what happened? What do you think Malini would have done? Then of course Malini would have returned the kitten to the cat, because the baby of animals need only their mother. They do not need our love. Then our love, they need their mother. So this was the first part of the chapter. We will meet in the second part of the chapter. Till then, good day.